you want to buy it. So let's get into it. Keys are right here. I got this today, and the box was open, but the tape is sealed. So I'm assuming, I thought I cut myself for a minute, but I'm assuming the tape just came off because it's cold outside. It's like 30 degrees. So nobody opened my box because this is sealed. So let's just get right into it. Alright, gonna save the shirt for last. The pin fell out. Like last month. Let's see, here's this pin. Okay. Let me put the box right here. The pin is Groot. If you don't know Groot from Galaxy's Guardians of the Galaxy, what am I saying? It's baby Groot. I don't know how much a part he played. That hurt my finger. I don't know how much of a part he plays in the Infinity Saga, the last couple movies, but yeah. Here's your card. It don't say, January's game. Alright, so this box is for November. So January's game, let me show you without looking. It's Eternals. Okay. I tried not to look at the card. The sticker, the decal is Thanos. I like this. This is pretty cool. I might put this on my laptop. Alright, I just cut to close the door. My dog just came in. It's cold outside. Let's continue. Alright, so we got... I think I just saw one of the pops. Alright. Can we pull this out without damaging... Come on. I cannot take this pop out. Alright. So, one of the pops is Nick Fury. His head is like facing sideways. And I get that it's a bobblehead, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to be sideways. He got his eye patch, and I think he's holding, is that a gun or ammunition? I can't tell what he's holding, but let me show you one more time. This is pretty cool. I like this pop. I don't have a Nick Fury pop, so that's pretty cool. And then the second pop is, it's Captain America. What is he holding? A chair? It looks like he's sitting on a backwards chair. I think it is. That's actually pretty cool. I like the outfit. The symbol on his head is cool. Yeah, that's a nice one. But alright, let's get to the shirts. It's a gray shirt. I'm not really a fan of gray shirts, but let's see. Okay. It says it's warmer time, and it has, so it's from, is it Avengers 2? Or the first Avengers? They're, Iron Man went up to outer space to bring the bomb out, table. And at this point in editing, it hit me. All the items are not just from the last two movies. Like, the Groot was from the ending of Guardians of the Galaxy. Then Groot blew up. The pop, the Captain America, is from the ending scene. He was sitting in the chair, making that speech, the shirt from the first movie. So, yeah. So this is basically all the Avengers eating at the table. This is a great shirt. Hope you guys can see it. This is a great shirt. It's got Black Widow, Iron Man, Thor. There's Hulk. Captain America. There's Hulk. There's Hulk in this scene. This is a great shirt. This is probably, I'll show you again, one of my favorites from this box so far. But, yeah, it was a good box. I'm kind of disappointed that it's not a Christmas theme, but it is what it is. It's good. So I'll show you one more time. We got the shirt, got the Captain America pop, got the Nick Fury pop, got the Thanos sticker, and the Groot pin. Let me check the card. Okay, we got everything. And like I said, January's box is Eternals. I don't know what that means, but that is Marvel Collector Corps. Like I said, if you want to sign up for the box, the link is in the description. Let me know what your favorite item was. Leave a like if you like this unboxing. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. And have a nice day, guys. Peace.